Lilium Leichtlinii, unveiling the beauty and care of Leichtlin's lily. For flower enthusiasts like myself, Lilium Leichtlinii, or Leichtlin's lily, is a captivating sight. Its trumpet-shaped blooms boast vibrant colors, adding a touch of elegance to any garden. But beyond its visual appeal, Leichtlin's lily offers a unique charm for those seeking a low-maintenance, yet rewarding addition to their floral haven. Here, I'll address some of the most common questions about Leichtlin's lily, ensuring you have all the information to cultivate this stunning flower. When is the ideal time to plant Lilium Leichtlinii? Lilies, including Leichtlin's lily, thrive in cool weather. Aim for planting in fall, ideally 6 to 8 weeks before the ground freezes. This allows the roots to establish themselves before winter. Where should I plant Lilium Leichtlinii? Leichtlin's lily prefers a location with well-drained soil and access to morning sun. Afternoon shade is beneficial in hotter climates to prevent scorching of the blooms. How deep should I plant the bulbs? A general rule for planting bulbs is to place them at a depth 2 to 3 times their own height. For Leichtlin's lily, this translates to roughly 4 to 6 inches deep. How much water does Lilium Leichtlinii need? Leichtlin's lily enjoys consistent moisture during its growing season. Aim for regular watering, ensuring the soil remains damp but not waterlogged. Once established, these lilies are moderately drought-tolerant. Does Lilium Leichtlinii require fertilizer? A light application of balanced fertilizer during spring, just as the shoots emerge, can be beneficial. However, avoid over-fertilizing, as this can encourage excessive foliage growth at the expense of blooms. How long does it take for Lilium Leichtlinii to flower? Leichtlin's lily bulbs typically take 1 year to establish themselves before producing flowers. So, if you plant in the fall, you can expect blooms the following summer. Do I need to deadhead Lilium Leichtlinii? Deadheading, or removing spent blooms, is recommended for Leichtlin's lily. This not only improves the overall appearance of the plant, but also encourages additional flower production. How do I overwinter Lilium Leichtlinii bulbs? In colder climates, Leichtlin's lily bulbs benefit from winter protection. After the first frost, mulch the planting area with a layer of organic material, such as shredded leaves or straw, to insulate the bulbs against harsh winter temperatures. Does Lilium Leichtlinii come back year after year? Leichtlin's lily is considered a perennial, meaning it returns year after year under proper care. The established bulbs will multiply over time, creating a more impressive display in subsequent seasons. Leichtlin's lily versus other lilies, a comparison. Gardeners often compare Leichtlin's lily to other popular lily varieties. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Lilium Asiatic. Asiatic lilies are known for their vibrant colors and early summer blooms. They tend to be shorter than Leichtlin's lily and require staking for support. Lilium Oriental. Oriental lilies boast a heady fragrance, but require more specific care, favoring well-drained, acidic soil. Their bloom time overlaps with Leichtlin's lily. Lilium Tiger. Tiger lilies are easily recognizable by their striking orange and black markings. They are more tolerant of clay soil compared to Leichtlin's lily and bloom in midsummer. Conclusion: the allure of Leichtlin's lily. Lilium Leichtlinii offers a captivating blend of beauty and resilience. Its vibrant blooms, coupled with its relative ease of care, make it a perfect addition to gardens of all levels. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving patch of Leichtlin's lily, adding a touch of elegance and summer charm to your outdoor space. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and experimentation. Don't hesitate to adjust your care routine based on your specific climate and soil conditions. With a little patience and dedication, you'll be rewarded with the majestic blooms of Leichtlin's lily year after year.